What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittney. I am Brittney W on all social media, and today's video is about my everyday makeup routine. Yes, whether I'm running out to the store or just running a couple of errands, this is something that I do almost every single time, if not every other time. Every other time I tend to just go out barefaced. But yes, this is a makeup friendly look. It's super easy. It doesn't require a whole lot of products. And not only that, because it's starting to get hot, during the summertime, we don't really want to wear a whole bunch of makeup anyway. So always remember that skincare is the best care. And in order to have great makeup, you have to have a wonderful skincare routine. So let's go ahead and jump right into this look. But before then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Okay, now we're ready. So if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome. The first thing I like to do when doing my brows is brush them up with a spoolie. The next thing I like to do is draw the underline of my eyebrows to get the exact shape of how I want the top and bottom to be. What you see me do is do the bottom first so I can get the shape, get the arch right, how I want it. And then what I'm going to do is take that same color and draw the top, leaving the front of my eyebrows a little bare and just using the color from the bottom of my line to fill in the beginning part of my eyebrow, as you just saw me do. We are using Maybelline's pomade in shade 382, which is a black brown. If you did not see that video, I do strongly suggest you see my product review on the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Studio. What I did just there was just brush the color up into the eyebrow. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side, leaving the beginning blank. Remember, we don't really necessarily need to put color there because we like to have an ombre effect over here when it comes to our brows. The next thing you see me do is color correct. Yes, I am taking a red-orange base and putting it all over the dark spots under my eyes, or my chin, or my birthmark. I don't necessarily like my birthmark to be shown, so I will color correct and then put foundation over it. Listen, what you guys are looking at is a skin miracle, because the following week, past week actually, I used too many chemicals and I had 3D burns all over my face. And so this is a skincare miracle that you guys are actually witnessing. Yes, Jesus will bless your skin too. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the concealer, and you see me cut out the eyebrow. That means fix the lines and cover up any loose hairs that I may have from not getting them done. As you guys know, we are still quarantined and beauty salons are not open here in New York City. So yeah, I haven't gotten them done. The next thing I'm going to do is take that same concealer and cut the top. Yes. Ooh, once you put concealer on the top and bottom, you are almost halfway there, because we all know that doing eyebrows can take a very long time. I'm going to deposit that same color. We're actually using Juvia's Place Concealer. Big shout out to Juvia in shade 12. And we are going to put that all over where you see the dark spots. And I'm going to be taking a sponge. I wet the sponge prior. Oh, I guess I didn't use the sponge that time, huh? Well, now we're taking a short flat brush and we're just brushing it into the skin all over. I had another little doohickey right there, so I wanted to conceal that just a little bit more. My skin is looking really radiant. Listen, shout out to Makeup Artist Choice. I also used their Radiance Pill the night before, so that's why my skin looks so glowy. You guys should check them out if you're not scared to do your own chemical pills. Looking for some products. Did I find it? Yep, right there. Okay, taking, this looks like foundation actually. So I am using Juvia's Place in shade 11 and the matte foundation. I think it's like a velvet matte. So it leaves it a little shiny but not too dry. In the summertime, I don't necessarily like oil foundation. I like a more matte, but this leaves it velvety soft. Oh, what you see me do there was just take the Fenty Concealer Pro Sticks, yes, in shade 400. And now I'm just sculpting my nose and taking that same color into the crease of my eyebrow, in my eyeshadow. and just blended that color into the crease of my eyes. Dragging that line out. And then I take an overbrush. Remember when those overbrushes were really popular? Oh, gee. I still have a couple of mine. And then what I did was take a combination of powders and set my concealer. Yes, I know what you guys are thinking. Brittney, no one has time to do all of this before running out to the store. But girl, I promise you do. I promise you can do it. So just taking the concealer up the side of my nose and around my nose so I can start blending out that concealer. Listen, you know who does a really good blend out on nose concealing and contouring? Erica Pearl. If you ever see Cardi B's nose when she does her makeup, which is every other time, all the time I should say, she does a really good carve out of a nose. So big shout out to Erica Pearl. You go, girl. Okay, so what I did was brush out the... Sorry, if you guys hear that pow pow noise, it's not gunshots, I promise. For some odd reason, the people in my neighborhood love fireworks at a certain time. And they release them every single night. Jesus, be offense and help me. When people get bored during quarantine. Anyways, back to the video. Yes. I'm taking the concealer now. So we brushed off the powder and then I'm just retaking the concealer. Even though I set the concealer under, I still like to go on top and put a little bit more concealer. Just a little bit, not too much. Down the center of my nose, under my eyes, to cut out my contour in my cheeks a little bit more. That's what I like to do. Yes, girl, we are almost there. So, I tend to use a lot of nude colors. If I'm not wearing something nude on my lips, I have on something red for the most part. But I love this pink matte lip gloss. No, it's a matte lip stain. Sorry, my bad. It's a matte lip stain by Revlon. I forgot the shade, but I will insert it in the bottom. And it's like a rosy, light pink nudie color. It just works perfectly with my skin tone. What we're doing here is actually putting on our highlights, darling. We all like to highlight. We like to glow, darling. Yes, we do. Yep. Putting on my highlight. I believe that was a mixture of Juvia's Place and Fenty. I believe I went in with the Fenty cream and then put the Juvia on top. Now I'm going to give me some sultry eyes by using a little bit of black eyeliner. That is Urban Decay's 24/7 in the shade Midnight, I believe. And I like the wing liner look, so I often give myself a wing liner. And I like to clean it up with concealer. Not too much of a wing. That's like a baby wing. Because like I said, all we doing is running some errands, girl. We have to pop on some lashes because what's a look without lashes, right? So these lashes came from Amazon. I will link them down below. And I really like the Duo Glue. You guys need to comment below and tell me what glue do you like to use. I like the clear Duo Glue. I used to use the black Ebin, E-B-I-N, New York glue. But then I was like, why don't I use Duo? Because Duo is amazing. That right there, what you saw me use was the Morphe Liquid Pen Eyeliner. It is very sleek, very black, and it goes on very smooth. And I'm using the word very a lot, but it's also very good. So what you see me doing here is taking a little bit of the powder and just recontouring and my nose with different powders. And I think I actually did a little trick of mixing it with a little foundation too to blend that all in together and smooth out these lines. Yes, darling, we are almost there. Oh, is she giving face? Am I giving face? Yes, that means I am done, honey. Oh, okay, girl. Thank you guys for watching so much. I will see you guys next time. Bye.